That Sunday night did not leave me. There was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dying at the race, and the nightingale sang at Barkeley Square. I may be right, may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear. When you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang at Barkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, who was a moony were a frown. How could he know it was so ill loved? The whole world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. As we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang at Barkeley Square. How strange it was, how sweet and strange. There was never a dream to compare with the crazy, hazy night we met. And the nightingale sang at Barkeley Square. Oh, this autumn mind beats loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in the fair. Heaven and sweet dancing cheek to cheek, a nightingale sang at Barkeley Square. So this, when don't go stealing up for gold and blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how he smiled and said, "Is it a dream, or is it true?" I hope the step was just as light as the dancing feet of a stair. Just like an echo far away, a nightingale sang at Barkeley. A nightingale sang at Barkeley that night at Barkeley Square.